They're taking over. What's up, everybody? Welcome back. And yeah, that's right, I got a robot mower.
I am a genius.
Why not swim with the current rather than against it, right? This is the Luba 5002, the Luba 2 5000 from Motion, and this was sent to me, a little T&E, test and evaluation. And so far I am thrilled.
This is awesome. This is awesome.
This thing has been a game changer, and I don't understand why more people don't have them. Well, I kind of understand because of how expensive they are. So I'm going to go over the best things that I like about it, the not so good things about it, and the price point. The best thing about having a robot mower is you don't have to mow anymore. It just does it for you.
So you don't have to.
The ability to do something else while it mows for you. That's why people pay for a mowing service. That's why people mow once a month, because it takes a lot of time. I understand, I get it. Having a robot mower gives you that ability to do what you want. Go barbecue while it's mowing. You could have friends over and play cards inside and it's mowing. You could play with your kids while it mows. You could ride bikes around the neighborhood while it mows your lawn for you. You could do whatever you want and not have to worry about mowing your lawn. Height is totally adjustable from 1 inch all the way up to 4 inches, I believe. You can set the pattern that you want it to mow. You can have it mow in a chessboard pattern. You can have it mow diagonal, and then you can set the angle of that diagonal to a certain degree, and then it will go off of that angle. It mows pretty dang straight lines too, and they're more visible than I thought they would be. Flexibility of setting a schedule, what time of day you want it to mow, or manually you can have it just mow when you want it to just by hitting go. Setup was very, very simple. It is a wire-free system, so all I had to do was drive the robot around the perimeter of the section that I wanted it to mow. It goes off of that perimeter and then it fills in the gaps. It has a 3D eye radar detection, so it can avoid obstacles. You can watch it mow while it's going. You could just live stream your own mower. Pretty awesome. As you can see, these are the lines from the mower. I haven't mowed the backyard in, I don't know, weeks. Just been seeing how this thing has been able to keep up. And I mean, look at it. That's all robot mower. It's just crazy.
It's science.
So the blades that it uses are little razor blades, super easy to change out, screws. There's 4 blades per little deck inside there, and you just swap them out when you start to notice the grass blades are getting ripped instead of cut. It's that easy, and they're razor blades, so you know they're sharp. The other thing that I love about is how quiet it is. I mean, listen to that. You can barely even hear it. Super quiet. You could run it day and night, doesn't matter what time you run it, because it's so quiet. It has a charging dock, and if it gets down below 15% when it's mowing, it will go recharge itself, and then it'll go right back to the same spot and continue on. I do like that. Just die out in the middle of your yard and then you have to go pick it up and bring it back. That wouldn't make any sense. The other cool thing about mapping is I have a lot of obstacles right here, obviously. You just drive it around the perimeter and you can have no-go sections. So I just drove it around this tree, and then it has a no-go section, so it just doesn't go in there. It mows everywhere else except for that area. Same with the trampoline. I drove it around the trampoline, and then it knows not to go around that. I have found that the obstacle detection, you have to set it, your limit on your app. If you want it to be super sensitive, low. It has the front bumper, so anything that runs into the front bumper will make it go, it'll go around that bumper. But it's ran over a tennis ball so far and just chewed it up, a rake. That leads me to one of the cons. It does not detect dog poop. So if you got a dog, it's not going to smell dog poop and go around it. It's just going to go right through it. That could get a bit messy.
I got the poo on me.
Talk about the price point for a second. This is the Luba 2 5000. all-wheel drive, wire-free perimeter. It is $28.99, so $3,000. So the price point is a little high. You could probably get a zero turn for that. However, you don't have to mow. It does it for you. It works day or night. It has rain sensors on top of it, so if it starts raining, which it is going to start raining here soon, we got a big storm coming, it would sense it raining, and then it would go back to its station and charge while the rain goes away, and then it would come back.
Start charging.
Start charging. Got some, what is that, British guy?
You sound like you're from London.
Overall, I really think this is a huge step in the right direction, because I have spent so much more time just doing what I wanted to do. I got house projects going on, kids, I got a Bronco I'm working on, training for an Ironman. I mean, there's just so much that mowing is a passion. However, it takes a lot of time. And if you can just save that time and put it somewhere else, it makes a big difference. So I'm a fan of this thing. I think that I wouldn't pay for it just yet, but I would definitely be saving for one. Look at those lines. Look at that. I mean, a robot did that. Also, I named it. It's Rubeus Hagrid because of...
Rubeus Hagrid, keeper of keys and grounds at Hogwarts.
And Rubeus kind of sounds like a robot anyways. With that, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later. There's a big storm coming, so I threw down some humic acid, mow the yard. We should be good to go. See you guys in the next one, or I'll see you on another time.